Hi, welcome to Global Fleet Marketplace. I am Sahan Malik, and in this presentation I am going to show you the new marketplace. The marketplace is a digital platform that helps buyers and decision makers to find suppliers and vendors in a mobility domain. The tool designed to focus on customer needs, and it's designed in a way that is easy to use and easy to navigate. For example, you can find a new company or a service by searching a keyword, or you can choose the category of service that you are looking for example, financial services, leasing and rental, or you can even look by goal. This section helps you to narrow down your search based on a series of intelligent questions that identifies the exact suppliers that are able to provide what you need. Now let's look at the way the tool works. For example, I am choosing financial services, leasing and rental to see the suppliers. Okay, now you are on a page that helps you to identify the best suppliers and companies. This page is designed to help you navigate as easy as possible and filter down the companies you are looking for. The tool has a complete set of filtering tools on the left, and then the company card that helps you to understand the company services. It also helps you to save that in your profile if you like to look at this information in the future. You can also compare different suppliers. For example, here I am comparing these companies on the exact product and services they can offer. When I am happy with my search, I can either send this as a PDF to myself, or I can send an email to my colleagues. Now let's look at how the search by goal works. In this case, a decision maker wants to know more about electrification. So they choose electrification as their goal. The next question will ask about what type of electrification challenge they want to find the suppliers for example, finding the right vehicle or maybe a charging solution. Here a customer says, I want to have a right vehicle. As a result, the next question asking what type of electric vehicle you want to purchase, and then how many of those electric vehicles you want. Question 5 ask about the geographical presence of the company and where they want to have the suppliers. And then finally, in order to quantify how important this request is, we are asking a series of questions in terms of, are they only looking for information, proposal, or quotation? In this case, the customer wants to get the quotation, so it's a quantified lead that we can pass to our suppliers. Here, the customer fills the form, and if they want, they can say, please share my details with the 3 best matched companies so they can contact me with their services. Alternatively, the user can just explore best matching companies through what we already filtered for him. Let's say you narrow down your search and you would like to know more about the company. Here, each company would have a company profile. For companies who have full membership, they have more features and functionality on their profile. For example, they can add videos and images to the company profile they have. This profile is designed to help the customers identify the right information and give a quick and easy access to the suppliers. At the top, there is a business card with all the relevant details, and then information about the supplier and their expertise, locations they are active, and companies that are part of the group, alliances, services, and case studies that they would like to share with our audiences, and then finally product and services they can offer to our buyers. Thank you for your time. I hope you enjoy the Global Fleet Marketplace. Please feel free to contact us if you need more information.